Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free items in Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, open up your Roblox application and then you can go to the search bar here and then you can search for free UGC item. And there will be a lot of games that you can join to get free items, and I recommend you to join this game, free UGC Abby. You can click on this play button to join the game, and here guys you can earn the points to get free reward. Wait, I'm going to click on cancel and I'm going to click on play now. And basically here you don't need to do anything. You can AFK here and then you will get points. You will automatically get the points and then you can use the points to buy something from the store or the shop. I'm going to go to the UGC shop, and here you will see a lot of items that you can buy with your coins. Okay, this is for the face and hair and then also accessories. Yeah, you just need to AFK guys to get the points and you can use it to buy something from here. Okay, and this is my current points. Okay, and alright guys, that's all the tutorial to get free items in Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!